Okay, note that this is a remake to the original top 5 cartoons that went bad. This one is gonna have no commentary. All the information that why the cartoon would be bad is on each slide. So yeah. Also, I wanna point out that what is a seasonal rot. It happens when a show that goes on for too long start to get more that you used to laugh at, but now the days you're like, I'm bored now, and this is just not entertaining me. Now, that is what a seasonal run is. So anyway, let's begin.